Okay, so in the previous part we have covered the anatomy of a component, right? Where we played a little bit with the style and changed the content of the template. Okay, so let's move on to the next exercise, which is about updating the component, mainly meaning the component class, and starting to play with the property and what we call interpolation. All right. So as any TypeScript class, it can contain properties. So in this case, they're asking us to add a property called city and with the value San Francisco, meaning that the property type will be a string because the value is a string, and there is type inference, so the type will be inferred and the city will be considered as a string. That's why you see if we hover over on it, it shows that the type is a string. Okay. Yeah, they mentioned that, by the way, type inference in TypeScript, so you can click on the links if you want to have more information about that. The template is, so here we don't have any styling regarding the template because that's not the purpose of the exercise. The purpose of the exercise is mainly to show how we can display data that we have in the TypeScript class, to display that in the template. So the template is only showing hello. The idea is that we want to display the value of the city next to hello. So for that, if we type just hello city, it won't work. It will just display to you hello city. It won't display the value. So for you to mention to it that you want actually the property that is in the class, we use what we call interpolation. Okay, so for that you use double square brackets. All right, let's wait a bit for it to rebuild and reload. And you see that is showing hello San Francisco. Okay, there is something else that they want to show us also, so is to show you that when you use interpolation, everything is interpreted as JavaScript. All right, so it will actually process, in this case, the calculation of 1 plus 1. Okay, whereas if we remove these, it will just show hello San Francisco, comma 1 plus 1. Okay, so to evaluate the expression, you need to have the interpolation, the double square brackets. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it for this part of the tutorial. So we see that interpolation can be used to display the value of property in the TypeScript file, as well as evaluate any expression that we might want to put in the template. However, I strongly advise against doing a bunch of logic in the template. I feel that the TS class is far better for that. It will allow you to easily unit test it, to easily debug it. It will be far harder in the template file, and it will also allow you to refactor the code in methods or functions or whatever. Whereas by doing a bunch of logic in the template, it would be tougher to test, to debug, to refactor. And the template, in my opinion, should be as closer as the final HTML that is being displayed. So you should try to avoid messing around with a bunch of complex logic in the template.